Okay, go to the next program. Now we'll do the program 4.12. So what is the program? Already you have seen this program, right? Write a Java program that converts a Fahrenheit degrees to Celsius using the formula. Okay, but in this case we have to do using scanner. We have to read the value of Fahrenheit from the console and calculate the Celsius and print the result, right? So let me copy this one right here. So just simple here. Um, uh, in the package, just create a class temperature. Just say temperature conversion. Just write temperature conversion. Okay, that's my small name. Next. So here I had to declare. Just looking into the equation, you see, we need one value to the input Fahrenheit, because the right hand side, whatever the right hand side of the equation is, mostly is input, right? And the output is only Celsius, right? So read the value of Fahrenheit and substitute this value using this equation, and you get the output Celsius and print it, right? So let's first declare two variables, Fahrenheit and Celsius. So I will declare here, both are double here, right? Double C for Celsius, F for Fahrenheit. Okay, then use scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, system dot in. Okay, now how to import? Just mouse over here, you will find import option. Click import. It will import before the class. Do not import here. Do not, it automatically import before the class, right? So this is done. You say you need input from the right. So I just want to print here system dot out dot println. I say enter current heat temperature, right? So how do you, what is input Fahrenheit? F equal to input, this input dot, it's a double value, so it's next double, you see next double automatically suggesting, right? So click est, then use the formula C is equal to F minus 32 whole multiply 5 whole divided by Taksim all divided by 9. Equations is very important. The equation is given here, okay, whole divided by 9. So I'm keeping it all under the whole division C equal to. So I'm printing the value here system dot out dot println, say Celsius temperature is C, right? The answer is C, isn't it? So that's your thing program. Now you run the program, isn't it? So run the program here. So enter the Fahrenheit temperature. Example, if I give a 99, no, say something 78, Celsius is very, temperature is 25, very low, right? So that's your answer here. You want to run again, just here something 100, you get 37. Okay. So this is what here you're reading, declaring two variables. You are using the scanner method. First declare the scanner also. Then next enter the Fahrenheit temperature. Whatever you write here, enter. It will print for understanding what you are going to enter. The means what, which value you want to enter, right? So that value is stored here as input, right? So next double, because you declare as double here, and it's double data value here. Temperature is always a data double. So and this value F is substitute in this equation to convert your Fahrenheit to Celsius, and you're printing the value C, right? So these two lines are extra here. These three lines are extra compared to the previous program. We already did this program before, right? So I hope you can do it very easily, this one. So better we can go to the next program, okay? So to convert another program. So let's see here more expressions. Very important for program 4.3, isn't it? So I will do one program, remaining you can do all by yourself, all as a tasks. Okay, so I can do it anyone, right? So let me do the first one. Let me do the first. Okay, this one, and x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So let me do this one equation. So I just say one more class here. Click add the class, expression. I say one. Okay, I just use that expression one. Uh, Here, this is program 4.13, isn't it? To avoid anything here, say package to program 1.31 section 1. Okay, so that's one thing. So let's see here in this expression, look carefully the expression here. Whatever on the right hand side is input and left hand side is an output. So how many values are there? How many data operands are there? You have one A, one is B, and C. Means three input, right? We have three input and output is X. Output is X. So here let's go take three values, and one this for declaration you have to declare all the variables, right? A, B, C, and X. For input we have to read the value of A, read the value of B, and read the value of C. Then equation, use the equation to substitute and print the result X. Okay, so let's do it now. Let's all are double here, right? Double A comma B comma C comma X values, right? So here you can say here scanner, now scanner input new scanner system dot in. Mouse over, you'll find import, click import, then you say system dot out dot println. Now remember one thing, I'm writing very, no need to write system dot every time here. What I'm doing here, in input, I say input A, B, and C values. Writing one line, in one line input, read ABC, enter ABC values. We can write any text here, any message here. I want to write this one, and then I want to read what is the value of A, what is the value of B, and what is the value of C from the console. I just simply I use A equal to input dot next is double, right? So next double. Similarly, control C, control V, control three times you have to read. One is A, one is B, and one other is C. Got three values. When you write here enter A value, then next you say enter B, and next instead of that one I just write simply one value, right? As one output statement, input A, B, C here. It's very clearly given. You have to enter three times because you're reading three times, right? Then use the formula. What is the formula here? Is equal to X equal to, look, this is very very important. If you do some mistakes, of course you will get the output, no error, but you will get the wrong result, right? So what is the output here? Minus B, this is whole division, minus B plus B square, right? So how do you write B square? B multiply B. So let's have right here minus B plus B square means B multiply B. Okay, the next minus 4AC minus 4AC means 4 multiply A multiply C, 4AC, right? Then division, 2 multiply A, 2 multiply A. But this equation, you see, this will evaluate. So you need to enclose in double quotes. This one enclose in double quotes, isn't it? Keep it also double quote to be very, and we keep end with semicolon, right? Now look carefully the equations here. Whole double quote minus B plus is okay. No need of separate double quotes. This is equation here. So I have written here. So this, if you're writing wrong equation, you're expecting the full marks is not the correct, right? So you should have a correct expression. Although you use a wrong expressions, you will get a without any error, you will get a program, right? I mean, you get output, but the result is wrong. Okay, so make sure you have a correct expression, right? Correct expressions, calculation should be done, right? Next year, say simple output system dot output or dot println output. I can just simply say output value x, just writing here. What is the value of x? Is x, right? So hope you understand this program here. Save the program and run it. Input a, b, c values. You see your program stopped here, right? And is waiting for your response, your keyboard, using keyboard values a and b and c value. So I just say, for example, a is equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 1. Okay, output is minus 0.5, minus 0.5. Clear? So you can run one more answer here, one more time here. Let's see this one here. A equal to say 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to 1. Output is minus 1.0. So that's your output here, minus. So I can say, and mostly I will check the values 1 to 1. If you have any other values, example, this is the correct value, minus 1, 1 to 1, right? So if, for example, if I remove this bracket here, right? Let me show you with bracket. I don't want to put the, I didn't put the bracket. A mistake, I didn't put the bracket. Now let's see the result. See, remember this value, I got minus 1.0. So let me show you the, again, there's no error, but answer, see, there is no error when I change the brackets also. So 1, 2, 1. Answer is 0.0. See, you get the wrong answer. Actual answer is minus 1.0, but you are right now you're getting 0.0. This is not the actual answer, right? Because you have mistakes in the expressions. Mistake is in the expression, because here the multiplication will take place, then division take place. Okay, but in this our main instruction is this multiplication, addition, and subtraction should be take place, then finally you have to do division, then you have to do division, but here division take place before this one, right? So this is the wrong value. Hope everyone understand how to write this. This is very, very important to convert any equation to Java expression, right? So a perfect expression should be written to evaluate the exact correct output.